Nut milk is having a moment. Once thought to just be an alternative for the lactose intolerant, nut milk has become a popular go-to for people with all kinds of dietary restrictions and lifestyle choices. Not only that, but the DIY nut milk market is trending up, with innovative and user-friendly nut milk makers becoming increasingly popular. Cool kitchen gadgets that simplify the process of making homemade nut milk makers do all the heavy lifting. Some even eliminate the need for prep work, pre-soaking, and strainers, a total bonus in our book. These appliances are growing in demand as home cooks discover the benefits of homemade nut milk, as well as desire more customized coffee creamers, smoothies, and recipes. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best nut milk maker. So let's get started. Number 5. Vegan Milk Machine. The i2V Vegan Milk Machine is a 1.9-liter budget-friendly option that makes delicious milk from grains, seeds, and nuts. While pre-soaking of your vegan ingredients is required, this nut milk maker has plenty of cool features, including an innovative smart system that not only extracts the full nutritional value from each grain, but also quickly processes, heats, and calculates the processing time. In addition to pre-soaking nuts, beans, and oats, you'll also need to use the included strainer to ensure that your final product is smooth. Feel like making more than just nut milk? You can. With this nut milk maker, you can also make yogurt, cheese, soups, breads, ice cream, desserts, and more. A recipe book is included for inspiration. Number 4. Leaky Nut, Almond Milk and Grain Milk Maker. If you're looking for a nut milk maker that's compact, easy to use, budget-friendly, and utilizes another common kitchen appliance, this one from Leaky is the one for you. Making just a quart of milk at a time, this beautifully designed and completely cool kitchen gadget is simple, and we like that. Comprised of two 1-liter containers that are stackable for easy storage, the entire milk-making process takes place in the same jar, soaking, mixing, and filtering. The internal container features measurements marked for nuts and water, and is compatible with the included ergonomic filter. Simply fill the container with your desired nuts, grains, or almonds until they reach the line at the bottom, then pour water into the same container until it reaches the line at the top. Number 3. Instant Ace Plus Cooking Blender. From the makers of the Instant Pot comes this incredibly cool high-powered blender that not only makes smoothies, cocktails, soups, doughs, and frozen desserts, but also has built-in programs for soy milk, nut milk, oat milk, rice milk, and nut butters too. Using innovative technology and 10 adjustable speeds, this blender becomes an almond milk maker and soy milk maker with the touch of a button. The one thing to note is that this appliance is a blender first, nut milk maker second. While it's designed to do a variety of kitchen tasks, including making nut milk, it doesn't have a filtration system like the other models on our list do. However, it is sold with an accessories package that includes the tools necessary to strain your homemade nut milk. The included strainer bag is machine washable and reusable. Number 2. Nutramilk Nut Milk Maker. If you're looking for a fast and easy way to make nut milk, be sure to check out the Nutramilk Nut Milk Maker. A machine that simplifies the nut milk making process to just 3 easy steps, the Nutramilk makes up to 2 liters, 64 ounces, of all your favorite nut milk varieties in 5 to 12 minutes. Using innovative technology that renders little to no waste while making nutrient-dense nut milk, this is an ideal almond milk maker. And, while this model might be more expensive than some of the other models on our list, but we think the ease of use and hassle-free experience is worth it. Here's how it works. Simply place 1.5 cups of your favorite nut, seeds, oats, or legumes into the machine and turn it on to create a butter. Once butterfied, add 8 cups of water and hit the mix button. The machine then works to create your milk and even takes care of the filtration process so that you have a smooth end product. Number 1. Chefwave Milk Made Dairy Milk Maker. The Chefwave Milk Made Dairy Alternative Vegan Milk Maker is one cool kitchen gadget. Featuring 6 milk-making programs, digital touch controls, and a self-cleaning function, this nut milk maker is a real game-changer in the kitchen. With patented technology that extracts flavors from raw ingredients, This machine also pulverizes and filters nuts, allowing you to make a variety of creamy and smooth gluten-free and vegan non-dairy milk alternatives. And it does it all in less than 16 minutes with the click of a button. No need to pre-soak or prep anything. This machine can be used as an almond milk maker and soy milk maker, and can also process cashews, oats, macadamia nuts, and coconuts. It also requires fewer nuts and beans. Only 1 tablespoon is needed. That was our list of the top 5 best nut milk maker just for you.